Welcome back to BIMARTIK, where we make your Revit workflow faster, cleaner, and smarter. In this video, we'll explore the Reload CAD Files command. This feature helps you automatically update your linked DWG files inside Revit whenever changes happen in your source CAD folder without relinking manually every time. Let's walk through it step by step. On the BIMARTIK ribbon panel, click Reload CAD Files. A window opens showing all CAD links currently loaded into your project. The plugin checks every linked CAD file in your project. If a file in your Revit model doesn't match a level name, you can match it manually. You can reload a single file by checking its box, or reload multiple files at once with Select All. If you've organized your projects using the global CAD folder in BIMARTIK settings, the plugin will automatically match those paths. No need to browse or reassign them manually. When you click Reload Selected, BIMARTIK temporarily removes the old link and inserts the updated DWG in the exact same position, same coordinates, same level, and same visibility settings. This ensures your models stay perfectly aligned and nothing breaks. Once completed, a short report window appears showing how many files were reloaded successfully, which ones were skipped or missing. That's it, all your CAD references are now up to date. Switch to your 3D view or plan view and confirm that all drawings have refreshed correctly. From now on, you don't have to worry about manually managing dozens of CAD links. BIMARTIK does it for you in seconds. For more smart Revit tools, tutorials, and updates, subscribe to the BIMARTIK YouTube channel and follow us on our social platforms. Thanks for watching and keep building smarter with BIMARTIK.